Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix ASUS monitor not turning on, power cord, buttons and internal circuit troubleshooting. Fix 1 is check the power cord. Turn off the monitor and unplug the power cord. Make sure the power cord is strongly connected to both the monitor and the wallet outlet. Then check the cord for cuts, bends or damage. Plug the monitor into a different wall outlet to rule out a faulty power source. Second one is check the power button. Press and hold the monitor's power button for 5 to 10 seconds. Then look for the power LED to the front of the monitor. If the button feels stuck, press it several times gently. Disconnect the monitor from power for 2 minutes. Then plug it back in and try turning it on again. Third one is perform a power reset. Turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable from the monitor. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Wait for 2 minutes. Plug the power cable back in and turn on the monitor. Fourth one is disconnect all external devices. Turn off the monitor, disconnect HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, USB devices and other accessories. Leave only the power cable connected. Turn on the monitor and check if the ASUS logo or menu appear. Fifth one is check the input source. Turn on the monitor, press the menu or input button, then select the correct input. Check if the display appear. Thanks for watching.